Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How long does it take for Revolut to receive money? I know that this is a question that a lot of people are interested in, especially if you're planning on using Revolut to send or receive money. So, I'm going to do my best to answer this question as accurately and comprehensively as possible. Before I get into the specifics of how long it takes for Revolut to receive money, I want to take a moment to talk about the different ways that you can receive money with Revolut. There are three main ways to receive money with Revolut. Bank transfer. You can transfer money from your bank account to your Revolut account. This is usually the fastest way to receive money, and it typically takes 1 to 2 business days. Card top-up. You can top up your Revolut card using a debit or credit card. This is a convenient way to receive money, but it can take up to 5 business days. Cash deposit. You can deposit cash into your Revolut account at a participating ATM. This is a slow way to receive money, and it can take up to 7 business days. Now that I've covered the different ways that you can receive money with Revolut, let's talk about how long it takes for Revolut to receive money from each of these methods. Bank transfer. As I mentioned earlier, bank transfers are usually the fastest way to receive money with Revolut. It typically takes 1 to 2 business days for the money to show up in your Revolut account. Card top-up. Card top-ups can take up to 5 business days to show up in your Revolut account. This is because the money has to be processed by your bank first, and then it has to be transferred to Revolut. Cash deposit. Cash deposits are the slowest way to receive money with Revolut. It can take up to 7 business days for the money to show up in your Revolut account. This is because the money has to be processed by the ATM first, and then it has to be transferred to Revolut. In addition to the factors I've mentioned above, there are a few other things that can affect how long it takes for Revolut to receive money. These include the time of day that you make the transaction, the currency that you're sending or receiving money in, the country that you're sending or receiving money from. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about how long it takes for Revolut to receive money, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.